HOMAG, Material Manager Advanced. This is Henry. Henry is a furniture manufacturer and HOMAG customer. And this is Hannah, Henry's co-worker. She is responsible for dividing up the panels. Henry implements individual customer projects and prides himself on being able to offer his customers tailor-made solutions. This increases the requirements in cutting. So Hannah asks herself the following questions before each project. Which material should be cut and in which quality? With which tool would I do this best? Which parameters do I use to cut quickly and well? HOMAG has an answer to these questions. The Material Manager Advanced. Why? This digital assistant calculates the optimum parameters for the desired quality of cutting from the given material data and the available tool data. In concrete terms, this means that the feed rate, saw blade projection, and possibly the speed rotation are optimally suggested. Before the parameters can be output optimally, Hannah or Henry must first fill the database. This includes the attributes of the saw blades and panel materials. Sounds complicated, but it's not, because a HOMAG expert helps the two with this step. Databases added. Done. Now let's take a look at this in detail. Henry gets a new customer order. He already has the necessary parts list. The optimized cutting plan is quickly created. Material is available. Hannah is in a good mood. Hannah automatically receives the optimum parameters for the feed, saw blade projection, and speed, according to the desired cutting quality. If an insufficient saw blade is used with regard to the material and/or the required cutting quality, Hannah is automatically warned. Hannah confirms the parameter suggestion by starting the cutting program. Hannah has the possibility to customize the proposed machine parameters at any time. Henry and Hannah are thrilled. Thanks to the Material Manager Advanced, they produce consistently good quality despite different materials, have error-free and efficient processes, and even an increased service life of their saw blades. This saves time and money. And when Hannah, the expert in panel cutting, is on vacation, her colleagues cut just as well in the usual quality with the recommendations of the Material Manager Advanced. Convince yourself.